Fifth grade Excel, lesson 90, determining if coordinate points are on a given line. So you have to be really good at those coordinate points on this, and you're going to draw a line on these. Pretty tricky lesson, so you're going to want to pay real close attention to this. And to help us out today, we've got a studio audience of 7 kids in here. Say hi, everybody. Hi. There they are. That's 7 voices. Okay. On the grid on the right, A and D are connected by a straight line. There are 2 other whole number coordinates on the same line. Whole numbers do not have a fraction or a decimal. Good. Not fraction, not decimal portion. Not fraction or decimal. What are the coordinates of these 2 points? So we have A right here. It's at, where is A located, everybody? 2, 2. 2, 2. Good. Remember, we go over first, that's X, and then we go up to Y, right? 2, 2. Where is D located?
11, 8.
11, 8. Good. Over to 11, up 8. And that's where D is located. Then what they did is they took a straight edge, like a ruler, connected those 2 points, and they're showing you that on here we have 2 other spots where this line crosses an exact intersection between 2 of these numbers. Okay? So right here it crosses, and right here it crosses. So this spot right here is what?
5, 4.
5, 4, good. And then the spot up here is what?
8, 6.
8, 6. And so they show you here that there are 2 spots that are on that line, 5, 4 and 8, 6. Now I'm going to erase all this to get it out of your way. And we're going to take a look at the next line. On BC, that's this one here, okay, there are 6 other whole number coordinates on the same line. Can you give their coordinates starting with the one closest to B? So we're going to start up here by B. B is already given because that's 1, 7. They, that's one of the points at the end of the line. So you have to go along the line and see if you can find the other 6 points. We're going to do the first one together, and then you're going to try to finish it. So I see that it crosses right here. The line crosses where 2 whole numbers come together. And so what are the coordinates for that spot right there? 2, 6, right? Over 2, up 6, right to there. So that's our first answer. See if you can find the other 5 answers. Pause the video and then turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. All right, we're going to call up some kids in our studio audience here and give us the answers to these. Olive, you want to go first on this?
Yes.
Okay, so here goes Olivia.
Yay.
She's going to write all the answers for 2 through 6. Go.
Okay.
Fast as you can.
Okay.
Yeah, draw a dot in there. There you go. Okay, what spot is that? Quickly.
3, 5. And you'll see a pattern too.
Okay, keep going.
See the pattern? Oh. I heard that, people. I can't see.
Okay, so what do you guys think? Did she get them all right?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay, good job. Way to go. All right, let's go ahead and move on. It says on the grid, draw. This is how you're going to actually do these on your guided practice and your homework when you do these types of problems. The line's not going to be given to you. On the grid, draw a line from 4-8 to 8-0. Can't tell you how many kids, even in the high math group, are having a lot of trouble with these types of problems. So be real careful. So you're going to draw a line from 4-8 to 8-0. So you have to find those 2 spots. I want you to use a straight edge, like a ruler or the edge of a book or something like that, to connect those 2 dots. And then you're going to find the other 3 points that are on that line and fill them in here. So go ahead and do that. Pause the video, and then turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. Help me out now. All right, so we're going to draw on from 4-8. Is that over here, and then, is that right there? No. 4 over 4, up 8. So you're going to put a point right there, and then 8-0. Is that right here?
No.
No. Go over 8, and up nothing, right? Then take a straight edge. I'm using a ruler right now. You can't see it. I'm using actually a yardstick. And I'm being really careful so that when I connect these, it's in a nice straight line, just like that. Don't try to do this just with your pencil and no straight edge. And we want the other 3 points that are on there. And you can see they're usually going to be equidistant away from each other. In other words, they're spread apart evenly. Do you notice that the gap from here to here, here to here, here to here, and there to there, it's all the same distance? Yeah. So that makes sense. You wouldn't have one like up here and then the next one like way down there or something like that. Okay, so what's this first point? What's the coordinates for that, everybody?
5, 6.
Good. 5, 6. You should have had that for your first answer. Second answer is?
6, 4.
Good. And last one?
7, 2.
7, 2. Beautiful. Hopefully you got those right. Let's move on to the next part. And same idea here. Go ahead and pause the video and then turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, we're going to draw a line from 0, 0, which is right down here at the axis between the X and the Y lines, the intersection between the X and Y axis. And then we're going to go 1 to 25. 20 way down here, up 5. Right there. And then use a straight edge because it's a long ways away. Make sure you're using your ruler or something that can keep your pencil going straight. And then connect those like that. And I got it pretty straight. Now remember that the points are going to be equidistant apart from each other, and we only have 4 points on this line. So I'm looking at here going, well, it could be right here or it could be right there. But let's see where the next one would be. Probably right here, right? So if that moved, I don't even know if it's there. It might be more here. It's hard to say. My line actually got a little bit messed up. I'm going to erase this. You can see right here, it's a little bit too high up, and that can affect the whole answer. Let me undo until I... Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see if we can get a little bit straighter. This is tricky on this whiteboard here. I don't know. I'm a little high on the low side now, aren't I?
Yeah.
Might have to do that again. And the reason I'm showing you having to do this over and over again, because you might have to do the same thing. You have to just keep adjusting it until you get it right in the right place. Okay, I think I nailed it that time. So it looks to me like it's crossing about right here. And then maybe right there. Are those equidistant?
Yeah.
Yeah, looking good. And notice it's going down 4 to that, then 8. What do you think the next one would be?
12.
12. Kind of like a pattern there, right? And then what would the next one be?
16.
16. And so there are my 3 spots. And notice that there are 4 spots. Notice it's an even jump from one to the next. And so my first spot is what?
4,
1. Second one?
8, 2.
And
12, 3.
and
16, 4.
okay, it says there's a relationship between these points. Can you describe it in words? So pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready to see what I wrote for the words for this. Okay, so how would you guys describe this? Go ahead.
They're equal distance apart.
Okay, but what else can you notice about these actual points on here? What are we doing every time? Look at the numbers.
Jumping 4.
What are we doing? We're adding
4.
to what?
4 to each number.
To which number?
To the X.
To the X. And what else?
Adding 1 to the Y.
There you go. And we're adding 1 to each Y, right? Okay. And we got, I believe, one more to go at least here. So go ahead and pause the video, try this one, then turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, we're going to draw a line from 2, 0, over 2, up 0, starting right there, to 12, 9. 12 way up there. Okay, be real careful when you connect these. Ooh, I don't know. Let's see if that did. Remember, the points should be equidistant apart. And so it's got to cross somewhere in here. Boy, I've only got 2 spots where it crosses. This one's coming pretty close right there. You see any other spots where it's crossing?
4, 2.
I better do that again. It doesn't even look like it's crossing there, huh?
Yeah.
I think I need to line it up a little bit better. Did I get the right points? Okay, 12, 9. Hey, Emma, why don't you help me hold this right here? You can hold it on the top part, and I'll hold it on the bottom part. Okay, you got to move your hand out of the way once again. Okay, let's do it on this side of it, actually. Hold it right there. Okay. Up a little bit. Okay. That looks a little bit better. Well, from 2 to 12 is 10. It says there's 2 spots. Huh. So it looks like maybe that spot and that spot are supposed to be it.
Yeah.
Does that look right?
Yeah. Yes. Yep.
Okay, so we're going to say this one's a pretty tricky one. That's hard. It's going to say 5, 3, and what?
10, 6.
9, 6.
What?
Right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
9, 6. All right. And, oh, that's it. Thanks for watching.
Mine
Oh, thanks.